which was attended by 20 NEC members, and we are very, very happy that we had a full house. We also have amongst us members of parliament from both the Senate and the National Assembly who have been able to join us. And I would really want to welcome even the ones who are, we want everybody on board. Together with me here, and also the representative from the MCA's caucus from the county of Nairobi. With us here, we have our acting party leader. We have our substantive chair of Jubilee. We have the deputy, acting deputy chairman. We have the deputy party leader, the two of them here. We have my deputy here, Tun. We also have our leader in the National Assembly, and also the leader in the Senate, Onapogetuku. We have our woman leader in the party, Honorable Mumina, and a host of members of parliament who are some who are here and others who have left because of other engagements. I want first of all to read to you the statements of the deliberations that we have had today. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The National Executive Committee, NEC, has met this morning and deliberated on, among others, the report of the National Disciplinary Committee, that is the TNDC, relating to the disciplinary matters against the Honorable Jeremiah Kioni, the Honorable David Murathe, and Mr. Kagwe Gishohi, that were referred to the committee on the 10th or the 20th of April this year. As you are aware, the Political Parties Disputed Tribunal, that is PPDT, delivered its judgment in the case number PPDT 001 of 2023, which was filed on the 14th of February 2023 by Honorable Jeremiah Kioni, seeking to quash the resolutions of NEC passed on the 10th of February this year. On the 19th April 2023, exactly a month today, the PPDT delivered its judgment in the said case and declined to quash the resolutions of NEC and refer the matter to the party internal dispute resolution mechanism. The TNDC concluded its hearing of the said disciplinary matters this week and forwarded its decision to NEC in accordance with the Article 14(1)(12) of our party constitution, which provides that the National Disciplinary Committee shall report its findings and the decision to the National Executive Committee for adoption, ratification, variation, or substitution in accordance with Article 14(4) of our constitution. The NEC has adopted the TNDC findings and the same have been communicated to the affected parties. We have accordingly resolved to adopt the findings of TNDC as follows. One, that is a complaint of 2023 Jubilee Party versus Honorable Jeremiah Kioni. The committee found that Honorable Kioni is guilty of the following charges. A, gross misconduct. Article 14(3)(1)(1) provides that lack of respect for organs of the party is indiscipline.